cherokee ᎥᎬᎱ ᎬᎱ I'm a Cherokee learner. Unlike some people, it was not my first language. There are a few younger speakers, but I consider myself a second language learner. However, I've been working with the Cherokee language for a long time, and I think it's about time for me to reach out and help teach people. I do that in our local community here. However, I've talked to people, Cherokees across the United States and our at-large communities in the past, and they've pointed out that we need more resources. I agree. Although my Cherokee isn't perfect, decided to go ahead and do some teaching. Now, first off, I'll say cherokee ᎥᎬᎱ or cherokee ᎥᎬᎱ, and that's a way to greet a large group of people. Cherokee, as everybody knows, is hello. Cherokee is a more formal way to say it. Some communities don't use the O at the front at all. However, some of our elders say that that's the old way to say it, and they actually prefer that. The ᎬᎬᎱ means all, but in this context, it means everyone or all of you. ᎬᎬᎱ is just all of you. This is a way to address a crowd of people or a group of people. When you're addressing an individual, you could just walk up and say, ᎦᎱᎩ. You can start with ᎦᎱᎩ or CO, but ᎦᎱᎩ is how some people will just go ahead and greet someone. ᎦᎱᎩ has that same ᎦᎱ that ᎦᎱᎩ does, which is relevant to the idea of good. The Jew at the end of ᎦᎱᎩ is a question mark. In Cherokee, we add parts to our words to change the meaning, and that Jew turns the word ᎦᎱ into a question. However, it's a polite question. Some people don't even directly answer it. But if you want to answer it, you could say ᎦᎱᎩ, which means just good. You could also say ᎦᎱ or ᎦᎱ. These are different versions of good. Chances are the word ᎦᎱ, short for ᎦᎱ, comes from the idea of ᎦᎱ plus d at the end. When we say yes in Cherokee, it's and when we say no, it's th. If you want to add yes to a word, you put d at the end of that word. So ᎦᎱ means yes, good. And they say that over time that's probably changed to ᎦᎱ. Now, the spelling is different. ᎦᎱ is spelled differently than ᎦᎱ, but it has that same value of yes, good, or I'm fine. So a simple dialogue would be cherokee ᎦᎱᎩ, ᎦᎱᎩ, ᎦᎱ. You can also say tohi-ju. Tohi has to do with wellness, but that Jew is the same question mark. Tohi-ju is another way of saying how are you. You can answer it with ᎦᎱ or ᎦᎱ or even ᎦᎱᎩ, but some people prefer a tohi answer. So the answer to tohi-ju could easily be tohi-gu, just well or just fine. So this is a short dialogue to start our day today. I'm glad that you all have tuned in, and I appreciate it. Next time, I'll do it. You and I'll talk again.